A few weeks ago, we were looking for the grace and the exit, the quiet beauty of what winter left behind. But spring doesn't stay quiet for long. If you step outside today, you'll notice the volume's been turned up. Not just the birds or the wind, but the visual volume, the green noise of everything fighting to grow at once. There's a specific kind of pressure this time of year. We wait months for the color to return, and then it arrives with such velocity that we feel like we might miss it if we blink. My advice? Let yourself miss some of it. You don't need to document every blossom to feel the season. Put the camera down for 10 minutes. Breathe in the scent of damp earth and crushed grass. Spring isn't just a subject to be captured, it's an atmosphere to be inhabited. When you do pick the camera back up, try to look past the postcard version of spring. Look for the struggle. Look for the way a new shoot pushes past last year's fallen branches. Look for the imperfections, the tattered edges of a leaf, or the way the light looks right before the rainstorm moves in. The perfect spring weather we all wait for is often the least interesting time to shoot photos. The real magic is in the humidity, the shifting clouds, and the unpredictability. The world is moving fast right now, and it's easy to feel like you're falling behind. I know I certainly do. But you aren't. Whether you come home with 100 photos or just one clear memory of the afternoon air, you've done the work, you showed up. So go and find a patch of green, get your boots a little muddy, and listen to the noise. Spring is here, and it's beautiful precisely because it doesn't wait.